At approximately 9:28 a.m. on December 31, 2014, in a workshop of a certain engineering machinery manufacturing company, Limited, a major explosion occurred in the 3-axle assembly workshop. It resulted in 18 deaths and 32 injuries. The direct economic loss was 37.86 million yuan. The company's main products were semi-trailers and axle assemblies. The accident site had not fulfilled the requirements of engineering construction, fire protection, environmental protection completion acceptance, and safety facilities. The 3 simultaneously procedure was used in violation of regulations. Engaged in trial production and operations. The direct cause of the accident was during the workshop's inventory and inspection. Employees were using flammable and explosive thinners. When cleaning the 053 axle assembly line, a large amount of the thinner flowed into the trench and evaporated, mixed with air to form an explosive mixture. Subsequently, slag from illegal welding by workers fell into the trench, igniting the mixture, triggering an explosion and a secondary explosion. The deeper cause behind the accident was that the enterprise had not established a specific safety management system for hot work, use of flammable and explosive materials, etc. There was no approval for hot work, organizing high-risk operations. The 3-level safety training for employees was not implemented. Welders were not certified to work. No obvious safety warning signs were set up, nor had a system for identifying and managing potential hazards been established. Could not identify and eliminate various risks in a timely manner. At the same time, they did not legally establish a safety production management organization, or have dedicated personnel. The safety production responsibility system was completely ineffective.